Hello folks, sometimes the phone doesn't recognize the fingerprint. In today's video I will show you how to set up a fingerprint that allows you to unlock the screen with multiple fingers. In this tutorial I will show you how to register your fingerprint on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Next tap on screen lock and biometrics, confirm your pattern or code, then tap on fingerprints. Tap continue, then tap register to start. To register multiple fingers, touch the screen with your finger until you see that the process is about 50%. Then touch with another finger until you reach 75% and change your finger until it reaches 100%. When it reaches 100%, press done and check if the fingerprints have been saved and if they allow you to unlock the screen. As you can see, I can unlock the screen with any of the 3 fingers. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.